In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a bar chart in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose any canvas size. You can select something simple like a presentation or create a custom design depending on where you want to use the chart. After the canvas opens, go to the Elements section on the left side. In the search bar, type chart and scroll through the results until you find the bar chart option. Click the bar chart and add it to your canvas. Once the chart appears, click on it to open the data editor. Inside the data panel, you can enter your own values and labels. Replace the sample numbers with your data and update the names for each bar. As you change the numbers, the chart will automatically update to display your data. You can also customize the chart by changing the colors, adjusting the bar styles, or resizing the chart to fit your design. If needed, add titles, labels, or other design elements to make the chart easier to understand. When everything looks good, click Share and then Download to save your chart for presentations, reports, or social media.